Hello D3M users. Welcome back to another D3M tutorial. Today, we're going to be going over how to create, edit, and share documents within D3M. To access the documents, you must first click on the Documents tab at the top of D3M. Now, we're brought to a screen where we can choose to create a new document. By clicking on the plus, it opens up a Create New Document window where you can choose what document you want to create. For this example, I'm going to be using a network diagram template. Clicking on it selects it, and then clicking Create will of course create the document. We're brought to a screen where this is the network diagram template. You can title it, add text, and of course, my topology is already inserted into the diagram. If I want to, I can add other sections, such as a site plan, rack, or even quotes. Let's add a quote just for this example. I click and drag it over into my diagram template. Once I release, we can see that my quote is now in the document. Now my Teldio IoT solution is in my document. But this solution is not static. It is a mirror image of what is on my topology view screen. So let's say I were to delete this IoT transmitter from the solution. And just for the example, I'll go into a video surveillance icon library and add a camera into the solution. Now if I go back to my document, open it up, we can see that the topology view inside my document has changed. My box camera is now in the document and the transmitter is gone. The same thing will apply for my quotes, inventory, rack, and site plan. Now, once we're done and the document is finalized, I can choose to export or share it with my colleagues. To do so, at the top right of the screen, I'll click on Export/Share. And then we can either download the document as a PDF, share it via a link with our colleagues, or even just share directly to our colleagues' email address. That's all there is to documents within D3M. Make sure you follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube for more D3M tutorials.